A 40-ton cement tanker truck flipped down a roadside slope because the driver fell asleep at the wheel, leaving him needing a literal miracle to get out of this mess. Soon, a large domestic excavator rushed to the scene, but given the situation, an excavator alone couldn't possibly finish the rescue mission, so the driver spent another $2,000 to rent a massive crane. This trip isn't just a loss, he's likely digging deep into his own pockets. Once the crane arrived and deployed its hydraulic outriggers for stability, the excavator used its tracks to crawl down the slope toward the overturned truck. Getting close, the excavator used its bucket to level the dirt under the tanker, partly to prevent a second rollover and partly to prep a buffer for the lift. Meanwhile, the crane extended its boom and lowered the hook while the rescue team searched for the truck's load-bearing points. A step requiring strict judgment because any accident during the lift would be disastrous. After finishing its prep work, the excavator pressed its bucket against the tank, waiting for the crane's signal to start, but strangely, time ticked by with no action. It turns out the team decided using just one crane was too risky and called in a second crane from the city. By now, 8 hours had passed since the flip, and everyone thought 2 cranes would make quick work of it, but the new crane arrived without its counterweights and refused to help out of safety concerns. With no other choice, the rescue team called it a day, leaving the excavator driver still weighing down below, oblivious to the fact that it was over. On the bright side, the tanker owner didn't have to pay a dime since the truck was still stuck down there. So, how do you think we should rescue an overturned cement tanker like this if it happened back home?